Preston. Hi. Mũi đâu? Hey. Mũi con đâu? You don't do that. Hey. No, no. Mũi đâu? Lỗ tai con đâu? Đâu? Mami không thấy nè. Lỗ tai đâu? Lỗ tai đâu? Oh, yeah. Đầu con đâu? Oh, good job. Bụng đâu? Oh, what the? That's not bụng. Mắt con đâu? Mắt, no, cái đó lỗ tai mà. Mắt đâu? Mắt, mắt đây nè. Mắt. Preston, what's the doggy do? What's the sheep do? What does the horse do? No. Nay, nay. What does the cow do? Hey guys, it's about 6 p.m. I don't know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, 6 p.m. We are getting a really late start on today's vlog. Usually we're vlogging quite early, but I actually wasn't even planning on vlogging today. But I wanted to show you guys this new tote that I got. I'm obsessed with it, okay? You guys, I'm obsessed with it. Shh. Hey, you. Shh. Shh. Preston. Shh. Shh. Alright, I'm about to show you the tote that I got. So I got this really cute toy canvas holder thing. I got it on Amazon. Good job. So I got this on Amazon and it was only like 15 bucks. It's super cute. Although the color is not what the picture said it was. The handles are more like a calf skin color, more like a light brown camel, but this is definitely dark brown, so I guess it's okay. Nah, come here. See? And it just looks really cute. Yeah, good job, P. Good job, yo tay. Yay! Yeah. Is that Dada? Where? Go check, go. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, and it is 11:38 in the morning. P and I are here hanging out. Có ăn gì à? Ngon quá vậy? Yummy. For you. Cho bạn. Okay, nè, mommy come. Thank you. Cheers. So he's eating toast. He always has to have both hands occupied when he eats. So one has to hold and the other one has to hold too. Anyway, so I'm just about to edit my pregnancy update video. I just recorded it right here earlier. I'm going to edit that and put it up for you guys before I head out for the day. Also eating a little bit of lunch. Made some stir-fry noodles the other day, so I'm eating that for leftovers, and we're watching Boss Baby. Hello.
Oh my goodness.
Training them young. Preston, cheers. Cheers. You're too much, bud. Hey guys, just at Target today. It's Saturday. Peace got his Starbucks. What do you have in there, Gong? Yummy. Cho mommy ăn không?
Right now we only have the craft.
But that's nothing. Ah. Ah. Oh, for you? Okay, fine, greedy. You're so greedy. Hello. Cup holders in the cart. So smart. Hey. 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 Oh. 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 Yummy? Oh. Look how cool your shoes are, dude. I had to stuff your feet in this. Okay, okay, I see you. Hi.
So cute.
Thanks. Hey, hey, hey. P. Bye. Bye, Mama Dia. Come on. You coming? Đi. Come back here. No, no. Come on. Đi, Mama Dia. I see you. I see you. Come back here. Come back here, you little baby. Yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Hey, Preston, look. Hi. Good morning, guys. It is 12 o'clock, Monday, January something, not quite sure. So the sun is finally out today. It is so beautiful. I didn't realize how much I'm affected by the weather since I have moved here, but it just makes me feel like not doing anything when it's rainy and it's muggy, especially, you know, with a baby around. Not so much if I didn't have a baby, I wouldn't care, but it's just hard to run errands when you have a little baby and you have to transport him in and out of the car, and you can't have the coat on him. So it just makes running errands a little bit more difficult, and most days I don't feel like doing anything just because it's just so hard. But we've been really lucky the last couple days, and we've had beautiful sunshine, so I'm really grateful for that. We're on our way to Target right now. We're actually here. And we really have no business here, like most times at Target. We're just here to hang out and get some coffee and let P run around a little bit.
Let's go. Have it disappear.
Yes? Con nói sao? À, Mama? Whoa, 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 whoa. Preston, how's it going? Like it? You like it, bud? Yummy? Oh my goodness, Preston. So we're in the home department, just looking at stuff we don't need. P is running around. He's got his Starbucks. I've got mine. Oh, you're sitting too? Okay. Okay, here you go. There you go. Cheers. Cheers. No? Lena. Yay. No, no. This, you can't drink it. Cheers. Cheers. So I got an iced doppio No. I got an iced doppio espresso with 2 pumps of white mocha and light cream. It's kind of like cafe sedap. She went a little heavy on the cream today, but it's cool. Preston, you want Starbucks? Yeah. Where are we going? Where are we going? What's that? What's that, Gong? Paw Patrol? Paw Patrol! You're such a copycat, see? No more? Jump on me out. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Take it back. Bum 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 bum. Ngon con? Yes? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Preston, Preston, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. oh, sorry. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Boo. A boo. I love you. Hey, miệng đâu? Miệng con đâu? Đâu cái đó mắt mà. Miệng đây nè. Yeah, good job. Yummy. Tamarind crab. Yummy, yummy. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Supposed to have the vlog up already, but haven't decided to do that yet, just because I wanted to vlog a little bit more. I'm out with P. Hi. Bum bum. Bum bum. Oh. We're going grocery shopping right now. Just picking up on some few things we need for the house. And it's going to rain later, so I wanted to take advantage of this opportunity while it's still dry to run some errands. And plus I have to get a few storage units so I can organize my makeup. That's it, you guys. We just chilling. Hi, Preston. Come on, Mungi. Bánh hả? Bánh hả? Say hi. Ew. I love you. What's that? Con muốn này hả? Này, okay, here. There you go. Grocery shopping, grocery shopping. More? Preston. There. Cho mama ăn. You getting the little one? Greedy. Share. Cho mama ăn. Hello guys, it's about 5 o'clock. P just woke up from a nap and he's eating chips. Thank you. I love you. I'm about to organize my makeup right now. I just bought these storage bins from the store. And now we're gonna get to organizing it. I really don't like doing this, but look at all this crap. I wanted to give you guys a little update with P. He has been getting up at night, screaming again. I think he's having night terrors. Because for a minute there, he wasn't doing it. And then it started happening again. Like, he'll just be sleeping and then all of a sudden it's just like a burst. And he'll just scream and scream and scream and scream. And it's like, he's terrified, you know, and I have to let him like scream it out for a minute and then wake him up. Thank you. Preston, you helping Dada? E. Yeah. Đấy, đấy, lên, đấy.